CEPNs. So we are here today for the first team event. That is a combo of 2x6 event today. So we will see the Salvador versus Titans for the first time as a team who is going to organize this event. So we will go to the guidelines of the event. It have been already shared, but we will share to you again. Next slide, Kishore. Okay, so we have shared this already. So 2 students from each team will be conducting the event. One from the final year and other from the third year. So we have Netra and Darshan Gowda from Team Titans, and from Team Salvador we have Gayatri and Manoj. So 2 to 3 people can be participants for each team event. So we have relaxed it due to the guideline difference by the other teams. So the event can be technical, non-technical, or corporate according to the wish of the respective team. It is not mandatory for both the teams to take the same type of event. Next point should be noted carefully. That is, the event should be of a maximum duration of 30 minutes. Please adhere to it. The event coordinator should ensure the entire audience engagement. So we will go to the rubrics for this event. So time management, it has 10 points. So you should adhere to that 30 minutes duration for your event. Then the topic relevance, how relevant your topic is, whether it is corporate event or non-technical or technical. Then the communication, that is already done. And the transparency and judging criteria, it is 10 points. The audience management have to be taken carefully. It is 10 points. New innovation and creativity of 10 points. So now we will next slide. So these are the today's organizers. For the first time, the East team is going to organize an event. And from Titans, it is Netraji. From other is Darshan Gowda Aya. From Salvador, it is Gayatri S and Manoj. So first, we will have the color selection so that we will know who is going to organize first. So team Titans, you can choose a color.
Green.
Green. Okay. So Teen Titans will be going to organize the event first. And now I am giving it to Darshan so as to continue the event. Thank you.
Good evening all. Hoping that everybody are doing well. Multi-level multitasking multiplied multiple times is event management. Today we Titans are here to conduct a non-technical event where you can develop your guessing power, general knowledge and poetry skills. Without further delay, let's see the overall guidelines of the event. And there will be 3 activities in an event. The first one is guess and get, and the second one is read out loud, and the third one is rapid fire.
So hello everyone. So without wasting any time, let's get into the activity. Activity 1 is guess and get. Let's see how to play. So we are going to display some pictures and you need to connect the pictures to get the answer. For every correct answer, 5 points is allocated and no pass is allowed in between. One participant should participate from each team and the answer should be given within the time limit, that is 20 seconds. Is that guidance is clear for everyone? Otherwise we can move. Hope it's clear. Let's move to the first question. Sorry. Good luck to everyone. So may I know the participant who are going to participate in this event? From
Hello,
Team
Darshan.
Titans. Tell me thing.
From Salvador, Rutik will participate.
Salvador.
From Titans.
Hello. Hello, Team Titans. From Titans.
From
you are
Titans, Divya will participate.
Oh, okay. Let's choose one color to see who is going to participate first and second.
From Salvatore red.
Salvatore red. Okay, let's see. So Titans will participate first and Salvatore second. So Divya, are you ready? Hello.
Yes, sir, ready.
So your first question is guess the food. Time is running. You will be having 20 seconds. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello.
Can I, dum aloo?
No, it's time up.
Okay.
You need to answer before the time.
Yeah.
But the answer is correct. It's dum aloo.
Hello, Darshan.
Ah,
Is there multiple attempts in the limited times?
you can attend, but it should be before 20 seconds.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, man.
So your second question is guess the movie. Your time starts now.
Sarkar.
Your answer is correct. Sarkar. Talapati Vijay. Netraka. Mark the answer.
Yes, Darshan.
Your third question is guess the country name. The picture is time starts now.
Oman.
You are correct. It's Oman. Your next question is guess the name of the song. I think it is easy one. Very famous song. Running out of time.
Naach
5.
Meri Rani.
You are correct. Naach Meri Rani by Kaira Advani. Sorry, Nora Fateh. Your last question is guess the actor. Here is the picture. Your time starts now. Last
It's
5 seconds.
Ranveer.
Your answer is
Ranveer.
correct. Ranveer Singh. See how we can't able to compare them. So that is the end of first round. And this is a question for audience. Hello audience, are you there?
Darshan.
Yes.
Guess the food name. Guess the food name. Sorry.
Donut.
You are right. May I know who is this?
Gayatri.
Well done.
Well done, Akka. And Team Salvatore, are you ready?
Yes, Darshan.
The first question is guess the food. Here's the picture. Time starts now.
Paneer.
Paneer is right, but it is different. Sorry, Anna. Let's see the answer. It is kadai paneer. You're wrong. So the next question is guess the movie name. Your time starts now.
Agnipath.
You are right. That is Agnipath. The third question is guess the actors. Sorry.
Deepika Padukone.
Bro, you are right. You are answering without taking time.
Like you choose husband and wife, right?
Ah. Next, fourth question is guess the country. Time starts now.
Portugal.
You are right. It's Portugal. Next question is guess the song. Time starts now.
Senorita.
You are right. Her name is Rita. So that is the end of the first round. Hello, Netraka. May I know the scores
Yes,
of Titans and Salvatore?
and it is both are tied and both have given 4 correct answers.
Oh.
And for Titans is 20 and for Salvatore also 20.
So guys, you are very competitive. Let's see what is happening in this round. So activity is 2 is read out loud. Let's see how to play. It's time to wake up the poet in you. And we will display one image for each team. And we will give 5 minutes time. Within 5 minutes, you need to write a poem on it. That poem should include minimum 2 rhymings and minimum 4 lines. And within the time limit, means within 5 minutes, you need to upload the answer script, means written script on the chat box. And after that, you have to recite that. So one participant from each team. So this guidelines are clear. Hello. I think it's clear. So move on to next. May I know the participant who are going to participate?
Niranjan from Salvatore.
From Titans. Hello. From Titans, who are going to?
Darshan, Raja, Darshan.
Okay, Raja. So please choose the color. From Salvatore, Niranjana, please choose the color.
Yeah, it's red.
Red. Then Raja, green. Let's see. So Niranjana, you are going first.
Okay.
Raja, you are second. So these are the pictures. Niranjana, you have to write a poem on COVID-19, and Raja, you need to write a poem on online classes. Then your time starts now. You will be having 5 minutes. For every 1 minute, we will remind you.
We need to write and upload also, no?
Ah. 4 minutes left. Make it attractive so that he can win the competition. Last 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Remember that you need to upload the script before 5 minutes. Means now only 1 minute 50 seconds left. Before that you need to upload. Netra ka,
Darshan.
please
And
ensure that
Niranjan?
whether they are uploaded or not.
Yeah, Niranjan has uploaded. And Raja?
Raja, make it fast, Raja.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Ah, time less please, only 1 minute. Last 54 5 seconds.
Darshan, in chat box I need to upload, huh?
Ah, Raja, last 30 seconds, Raja.
1 minute.
Make it fast. Last 20 seconds.
Raja uploaded
Last
the
10 seconds. Okay, Raja. Then Niranjana. Hello.
Yeah, I am done within chat box. I just typed out. Okay, I will. Shall I recite my poem?
No, you can.
Okay, let me start. Corona came. Everyone went back home. Still continuing its game, raising its fame. And human is paying back for his sins with no shame, hoping to finish the game. Trees are green, roads are clean, but human is not fine. That's it, Darshan.
Thank you, Anna. That was nice poem.
Thank you.
So, Raja,
Yes,
it's
Darshan.
your time. It's your time.
Okay. Oh God, classes are online. I don't know a single line. Going to school was very, very cool. Online classes are held to make students connect their studies, but children can't study sitting with their buddies. That's all, Darshan.
Okay, Raja. That was wonderful. So, guys, this is the end of the second round. Netraka.
Yeah, that was great to hear poem from Niranjan and Raja. Short and sweet. Okay, now let's see the last event, the rapid fire. Be quick and smart. Let's see the guidelines for how to play. No time is provided for preparation. One participant should start answering when the event manager starts asking the questions. Participant must try to answer all the 12 questions within 120 seconds. Skipping the questions is allowed, but skipping the question will not yield you any points. Only correct answers are provided with 2 points and no negative marking. Am I clear?
What about half right, half wrong?
For that also no points. Only correct answer carries points.
Okay.
So let's see who is going to participate from Titans.
From Titans, Divya.
Okay. And from Salvador?
Rutik.
So choose the color. Divya, choose the color.
Green.
Okay. Red for Rutik. So Divya, you are going to play first. Are you ready?
Okay. Yeah, I'm ready.
I will be asking one by one. You should answer also one by one within 120 seconds. Okay?
Okay.
Darshan, kindly make note, okay?
Okay.
So, here we go. Which is the third highest civilian award in India?
Padma Bhushan.
Okay. Which is the lower house of the Parliament of India?
Lok Sabha.
What is the national river of India?
Ganga.
Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India?
Indira Gandhi.
Which is the smallest city in India? If you don't know, you can skip.
Skip.
Okay. What is the name of the longest river on the earth?
Nile.
Okay. Which is the hottest planet of solar system?
Jupiter.
What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
The light with the lowest wavelength.
Purple.
Washing soda is common name for.
Sodium carbonate.
What is the name of the fastest animal on the land?
Cheetah.
Okay. Which country hosted Cricket World Cup 2019? Then
England.
9. Okay. Well done, Divya.
Thank you.
Darshan noted?
Noted. Out of 12, you have answered 11 questions. In that, 10 are correct and one is wrong. So you got 20 points.
Good.
Okay.
So, Ritik, are you ready?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Okay.
See the answer. If you want to clarify, you can clarify that.
Here is the answers. Maybe in 7th question you got wrong, it seems.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's play the next round. Ritik, your time starts now. What is the study of animals called?
Zoology.
What is the national animal of India?
Tiger.
Which is the largest city in India?
Mumbai.
What is the total number of characters in Hindi alphabet?
$49.
What is the national song of India?
Janaganamana.
How many Indian states have the Hindi languages? Time is running. You can skip if you
Skip.
Okay.
Skip.
When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day?
December.
Full form of
World Wide Web.
WWW.
World Wide Web.
Okay. Smallest snake in the world?
Barbarous slender snake.
How many bones present in human ears?
Six.
What is the SI unit of electromagnetic induction?
Skip.
Who is the
Weber by a meter square.
time over? Okay, thanks. Let's see the answer. Question answer.
So you have attended 9 questions. In that, 3 are wrong and 6 are correct.
Okay, well played, Ritik.
So your point is 12. If you have doubt, you can clarify.
Next slide. Maybe there is no doubt. So here ends our today's event. Success will never lower its standard to accommodate us. We have to raise our standard to achieve it. Thank you all for making our event so colorful and so competitive. Thank you so much. And special thanks to EMT.